Hello, friends. Now it's time for rice chop, as I promised. This is a very so what we need is some rice to cook. This will be I'm gonna use about 3 cups, and we put water up to about 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters above it, and cook the rice. Now the powder for this one is very easy. You need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of cardamom. Oh, I haven't taken the seal off yet. There you go. Half a teaspoon of cardamom. Gives it a very nice flavor. Now we put that aside, and our rice is cooked. We also need some onion. That's 1 onion chopped, and some almond and raisins. Now let's keep that aside and bring the rice that is cooked. We need to crack 2 eggs over it. I'm doing it one by one to make sure the egg is okay and no eggshell inside. Now I'm going to mix the rice with egg. Okay, I think that's near enough. Now I put some oil in the pan and put the onions in to fry them. And we move the onion around to get it evenly heated and cooked. The onion is almost done, so now we can add the almond and the raisins. Raisins are holding tight to each other and won't let go. So I have to kind of bash them to separate them. Now we add the cinnamon and the cardamom. Come on, raisins, let go of each other. Right, we are almost there. And our filling is ready. Now, what we are gonna do is to get some rice and egg and try to make a flat piece out of it. I have to use water to make sure it doesn't stick, and then add the our filling in the middle, just making a dent in the middle and put the fillings, and then move the sides towards the middle to click them together and make it something like a ball, and then flatten it. Okay, that's one. Water helps to shape it. I just wet my hand a little, and now putting a dent in the middle and putting the fillings in and moving the sides towards the middle and get it a nice shape. Right. Now I'm going to cook the rest of the camera. As you can see, I've made a few, and it's almost time to flip them over. Good. A few more minutes. Now we can take some of them out and put them in the serving dish. Now it's all done.